Hi everybody, I'm Clara and welcome to my kitchen. You know, one of my favorite desserts is chocolate mousse, but it can be kind of complicated and intimidating. So I found an easy peasy version of chocolate mousse. It's called avocado chocolate mousse. Let me show you how it's done. So in a blender or in a food processor, add avocado, 2 ripe avocado, some cocoa powder, and some maple syrup. And for milk, I like using any kind of nut-based milk, like almond milk or oat milk. It adds a really nutty flavor as well, making it really creamy. And some vanilla. And I also like to add some salt because it really enhances the chocolate flavor. But you could leave that out if you don't like it. And you could just use the cocoa powder, but once in a while, I like to add melted chocolate. It just really makes it deeper, chocolatier, and heavenly. So, put everything in and then turn on the blender until it's nice and silky and creamy. It takes a couple of minutes and voila, you have beautiful mousse. So put it in your favorite mousse dish, as much or as little as you want. And I have to tell you that you don't have to share. And I like to garnish mine with a little bit of berries. I got some wild blueberries, some strawberries, and some raspberries. You could add a little bit of edible flowers that I have from my garden, and maybe just a sprinkle of white chocolate chips. And voila, here is my version of chocolate mousse with avocado. It's easy peasy, healthy, delicious, affordable, and absolutely heavenly. I hope you try it.